Hello guys, in this tutorial we will talk about duplicate keys and duplicate values. So what I mean is, so let's say I am creating a map. So first let's erase this. Yeah. So let's say I am creating a map. The key is of type integer and the value is of type string. And the name of my map is, let's say, hmap, and I'm going ahead and create a new map where the type is, the key is of type integer and the value is of type string. At this point there is no element added to my map. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the put method to add the elements. So let's say for the key of 2, I am adding an element called David. Now I am going to add couple of more elements. So let's say for the key of 56, I am adding another element called John. And then I have another element hmap dot put for the key 8, and let's say it's Chris. Now I will do for the same key of 2. Let me go ahead and add another element for the same key 2 and the element called add. So now where I have the keys, I have two keys with the same. So I have 2 and 2 here. So now what will happen? And then let me go ahead and make it duplicate value as well. So let's say the key is different, but the value is same. So let's say John. So now what will happen is, in map, key cannot be duplicated. What do you mean by that? In a map, key cannot be duplicated. So what happens here is, so let's go ahead and watch. Let's take the marker. Yeah. So for the key 2, the value is David. And for the 56 key, the value is John. For 8, the for key 8, the value is Chris. And then for the key 2, the value is Adam. So what will happen here is, this David will get replaced and with the Adam. Sorry. The new value for the key 2 became Adam. And then you are saying for the 9, it became John. So that's fine because the key is not duplicated. The main point here to note that the key cannot be duplicated. What will happen is, it will get overridden with the new value. So since the new value for the key to become Adam, so David got replaced with Adam. So let me go ahead and try to go ahead and run this. So if I go ahead and display system.debug elements in my map, it will display 4 elements. The keys would be 2, 56, 8, and 9. So let's go ahead and match if the answer matches to our result. So you are going ahead and display all the elements here. So what should be the output, guys? The output should be, for the 2, it would be equals to Adam. Then the next number would be 8. It would be Chris. because it would be arranged in the order of keys. Then it would be number 9 and that would be equals to John. And then after 9 it will be 56, that is going to be John again. So the value is duplicated, that's fine. But the keys is not going to get duplicated. You are not going to have two keys with the same name too. You cannot have 28. You cannot have duplicate key here. So now let me go ahead and execute this. So go to debug only. So if I compare the output, let's go ahead and open our program window. We can say that 2 is equals to Adam. So the David got replaced with Adam. For 8, we have Chris, then 9, John, and it will be 56 again, John. So John is again duplicated, that's fine. As long as the key is different, values can be seen. So just remember this point when we are talking about map. In a map, the keys cannot be duplicated. Values can be duplicated. You have two different keys for the same value. That's allowed. But you cannot have two similar keys. So let's meet in the next tutorial. Till then, have a good day. Bye.